Ilia Malinin, nicknamed the Quad God, is an American competitive figure skater. In January 2026, Malinin won his fourth straight national title at the 2026 US Figure Skating Championships. He placed first in both the short and long program and finished with a total score of 324.88 points. The skater said he was breaking in a new pair of boots and therefore decided to play it safe in the long program with less quad jumps. Malinin competed at and won the 2025 to 2026 Grand Prix Final, his third consecutive title at his event. He earned a new personal best and record score of 238.24 points in the free skate, in which he landed a record of 7 clean quadruple jump. Malinin won the gold medal at the 2025 World Championship in Boston, marking his second consecutive world title. He ranked first in the short program with a personal best score of 110.41 and first in the free skate with a score of 208.14. He skated cleanly in the short program. In the free skate, he became the first skater to successfully land all 6 types of jump. In January 2025, Malinin competed in the 2025 US Championships. He scored 114.8 in the short program. In his free skate, he attempted all 6 types of quadruple jump but failed on his attempt quadruple loop. He is a 2-time world champion, 3-time Grand Prix Final champion, 7-time Grand Prix gold medalist, 4-time Challenger Series gold medalist, and 4-time US national champion. He is a 2-time world champion. At the junior level, Malinin is the 2022 World Junior Champion and a 2-time Junior Grand Prix gold medalist. He holds the current world junior record for the men's short program free skate and combined score, as well as his senior record for the men's free skate. His younger sister Lisa also competes in figure skating. He was given the Russian masculine form of his mother's surname because his parents were concerned that his father's surname would be too difficult to pronounce.